So there's a lovely bike. It's a 2001 YZ125. It's in rough condition. I really can't run it that long because on the other side there, out of the petcock, gas is just pouring out of it. So there it is. We're gonna dive into it today. There's a lot of problems that I can see. Hopefully there's not more that are hiding underneath this thing. So let's get to it. Got the little FMF shorty on there. Nice and dirty in there. Bikes like this, shit, you only have to take out half the bolts. DIY spring puller. yeah, it's torn apart again. First startup did not go so well. Basically, left radiator just pouring out coolant, and then out of the bottom of the carb, just pouring out gas. I guess if anybody wants to buy a right one, the right one is good. And I most likely cracked something when I was straightening these out because this side here, it was pretty smashed in. Bit the bullet, spent an extra 70 bucks, got some GPI radiators, and they're all matted up. So when the bike is actually all back together and running good, I'll see you then. So finally, it's all done. Had a few issues I need to clean up. Unfortunately, they were $70 issues with the radiators. With the carb, basically there was an O-ring that was messing up on me. In the little parts box that I got with the bike, we had the old carb in it. So I robbed some parts from that, and that fixed all my issues. No leaking, we're all set. Double checked everything, tightened everything up. As far as cable adjustments, they seem good here, you know, in the shed. We'll figure it out when we take it for a quick trail ride. It'd definitely be a sweet bike to keep, but I've got too many bikes at the moment. I've got projects backed up. I'm not sure which bike I'm gonna do next, but just know that there is a big line of them waiting to be refurbished, rebuilt. The next video, this is gonna be the cost breakdown of all the parts and everything I put into this bike, and then hopefully by then I've got it sold and we can go over how much profit that I made. So like usual, down in the description, affiliate links. There might even be a link to a shop there. If you want to go check out some decals, I think will probably be the only thing on there, but you can go check it out if you want. And other than that, thanks for watching and enjoy the clips. Peace. I just got done taking some dope photos of this thing, and it's time to go take a quick rip on it. Man, this is the first time I've ever ridden a two-stroke 125, so settle down in the comments. I'm gonna go rip it up the mountain here. What the hell, man? I literally didn't put any gas in here. I thought I filled it up like quarter tank. I feel like a fucking idiot now. So that was my test ride. Of course, I did not bring any gas with me because I am very smart. Well, there's a bike. If anybody wants it, it'll be hanging out here in the woods.
Why did I do this to myself? There is literally a splash left. If you enjoyed the video, I guess, let me know. Wish I could have had more of a test ride for you. From what it looks like, everything's intact. We got a little bit of splooge up front there we might have to look into. Everything else is looking good. In this, I'm running just 32-1. And looks like maybe got a little splooge coming out somewhere. It's been fun. I hope you enjoyed the build. I put a little bit more money into it than I thought I would, but that's usually what happens. So like I said, if you did enjoy it, let me know. More builds to come, more riding videos, plenty more stuff on the way. So thanks for tuning in. Peace.